Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your oil in my Mazda 3. And this model is the this year is it is a 2016 Mazda 3. And I think it's basically the same way how to change the oil on the older one too. So I'm going to go ahead and raise the vehicle up off the ground so I can get access to the oil filter and the drain plug. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscription button. Help me help you. Alright, so right here underneath you have right here is going to be your oil filter. It's supposed to be your oil filter. And right here gonna be your drain plug. So I'm gonna take them out, and then we can double check and see what we got here. All right. And for this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, or I'm not sure what millimeter is that, but a Phillips screwdriver would do the job. So that little screw right there going to be 8 millimeters. There's nothing up there that I was hoping to see. I don't see the filter. So it's gotta be back here. Alright. And to take out this cover right here, you're gonna be 2 8 millimeter right here. You have one right here and another one right here. And I'm also going to take out these two clamps right here.
Where's Flacco?
Got those two 8 millimeter out. Now it's time to take out the clips, and it's just, you can use a clip puller or a flathead screwdriver. Right here we have our oil filter. Right here we have our oil filter and our drain plug. Alright. Look like this leaking oil. So it probably didn't tighten enough. Alright. So now I'm gonna remove my oil filter and drain out my oil. Alright. Yeah, so I'm guessing on the older model, the oil filter would normally be right here. So I guess they redesigned this one and put it back here. But it's my first time doing an oil change on one of these Mazda 6, the newer one. So, alright, so that's where the oil filter located. Alright. So we gotta use the Allen key to fit it. It's a 5/16 Allen key. This right here. Alright, to fit the drain plug. Yeah, make a little mess there, but I got it. So I'm gonna let the oil drain, and also I'm gonna take out the filter. Sorry for the shakiness. So you can let both of them drain at the same time. I'm gonna let both of them drain at the same time. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that the new filter. Alright, I'll go ahead and put back my drain plug now. Alright, so now that's tight. I'm gonna go ahead and put back your covers. Got my covers back up to get the front cover here. Alright, so there you go, guys. I already put up my covers. Now it's time to lower the car and add some oil. Alright. Alright, so take 0.20. Take 0.20, so I'm gonna have like 4 quarts of 0.20, and then I check it. If you need more, I add more. If it's good, then I don't need to add no more. Alright? Alright, so I add 4 quarts of oil, and then I check the dipstick, but yeah, it's short a little bit, so I put a half quart. So I put 4.5 quart to 4.5 quart to mix it, to top it off. And also what I did, I cranked the engine, make sure it run for like 30 seconds to a minute, and cut it off, and then come back out here and check your dipstick, make sure it's at the proper level. Alright, so thank you guys for supporting me. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Help me help you. This could be your next problem or your next project you're trying to take on. Alright, see you next time.